Alright, we have a finished product. We have a whole house reverse osmosis system. We've reconfigured the feed pump. There's a 6-gallon pail of anti-scalant to the left. There's the feed pump. The well is actually pumping sand. We have a sand filter here. We're going to have to do something about the well at some point. Iron and Sulfur Eliminator to get rid of the hydrogen sulfide in the iron. We are then injecting anti-scalant, which is controlled by the chlorine pump, I'm sorry, Stenner pump up there. The switched outlet on the wall here is controlled by the RO, which is an FSHS HP 440 with deluxe control box. When the pump turns on, I've got the outlet powered. It turns on the anti-scalant pump, and it also turns on another chlorine adjustable pump, which sucks chlorine, diluted chlorine, out of this tank and then drops it into the 500-gallon tank. We have a repressurization system consisting of a 1 horsepower submersible pump inside the tank and a low volume cutoff switch. That's what that relay is all about, below the control box. If the float in the tank goes low, it will stop the submersible from turning on. You have your pressure switch and bladder tank. Coming back over, we brought in a 60 amp circuit sub panel, 220 20 amps and a 115. One 20 amp is for the submersible pump, and the other one is for the RO. And we are making 68. Oh, the feed pump just turned on. We're making 68 TDS water from feed water of about 2,000 to 2,500. Depends whether we get the sand out of there or not. It's actually 2,500, but once I get the sand out of there and I get everything else, my pre-treated water actually came down in TDS. But that is one heck of a system. Oh, the retention tank has a submersible pump inside, and it gets fed with chlorine. Then the water comes out and goes into a 1 cubic foot carbon filter with the clack head on it, which allows me to dial how much chlorine I want to let go to the house. If I go straight like this through the carbon filter, there's 0 chlorine. If I just crack it, I get a drizzle, just a light residual, a half part per million into the house, which is perfect. Right now he wants it straight chlorinated water because all the old pipes have to be cleaned up. There's my unit. And there's the stainless steel with the deluxe control panel.